Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ahmed Ijaz and today our plan is that I will show you so many boats in the river. So you can see this is my base and you can see there are many boats. Let's count them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 boats over here and 3 boats over there. You can see there are so many. Wow, it's very much cool. So you can take any one of this. So I will take this one. You can see I can drive it too. See. Yeah, I can drive them very quickly. So let's park them over here again. And you can see from where I've taken it, I will show you. At this place, I can show you. At the place, this is the place. At this place, you need to be, and you will go over here, and you can see that at this side, there are many of the pots. So you can take it from here to there or here to there. It's your opinion. So I don't know how they were so many, but I've bought them according to the order. These ones are here, only that two ones are at this row, and these both are separate. So let's get started. So which boat do you like the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So my favorite boat is this one, this purple one. Yeah, this is the most favorite. And see, I can walk on them. See, I can walk them. Yeah, over here too, I can walk. Oh no! I fell down. So let's do a thing. Let's put on a fire. It's going to be very fun. Why is the fire not working? See. Yeah. And everybody is fire. Yeah, fire. And see, there is fire in each. Oh, you can see they are blast. Oh, they are blast. No. So see, it is blast, and they are also going to be blast. No, my favorite purple boat. It is going to be blast. Ah! Every boat has been blast. So guys, see, this was a very cool bomb blast. So let's do it over here too. Yeah. And only one boat is left. Who are they? Oh, they are the police officers. They are cops. Yeah. So in the next video I will show you how to escape from these 3, 4 and 5 stars very quickly. So let's join this boat and ride it. So let's escape these stars. Oh no. Yeah. Fight fast. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and to this video 100k likes. So guys, this is my profile. Why it is not being changed? So it's less, but it's right. Anyway, this is very much missions. You can see 1067. And how many people? No, I saw that. Total cash I have cash on this 93.47.8. 90%. Okay, so